Hi guys, good morning. Happy Easter. It's Easter Sunday today. I got no work. So see, I'm still in my pajama. Sorry about that. So I have time to prepare another healthy breakfast. I'm gonna make crepes with spinach. It's not it's the savory crepes. Okay guys, come along. We're gonna prepare crepes with spinach. Okay guys, here's our ingredients. A cup of rolled oats, 2 eggs, spinach, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and a cup of water. All these ingredients, we're gonna blend them together, and of course salt and pepper too. First, gonna put them water, the oats, the egg, the oil, salt and pepper, and a handful of spinach. I think you already have an idea what the crepes look like. It's green. Blend them up all together. Add more spinach. I use all of them. Around 3 cups of spinach. Okay guys, this can go to the fridge and let it sit for around 15 minutes, and then we can make our crepes. Meanwhile guys, while our crepes is resting at the fridge, we're gonna prepare banana almond milk smoothie. 1 banana, 2 cups of almond milk, a tablespoon of maple syrup. You can use maple syrup, brown sugar, or honey. Put everything in here. This is just a simple smoothie. Since our crepes is savory, we need something sweet or sweeter. Natural sweetness from the banana and maple syrup. As usual, I'm just eyeballing it. Good enough for me. 2 cups. Cover it. That's done, guys. Banana Almond Smoothie. It's heating up. Put a little bit of butter. Around quarter cup. So usually the first one don't turn out good. And you can put cheese. This one is just cheddar. You can put as much cheese as you want. Okay, one done. Make another one. Make it a little bigger this time. Healthy spinach crepes, an almond banana smoothie, and we'll give it a taste. I should have used more cheese. The texture is different because you know in your crepes you're used to with flour, but this one is oatmeal. But it's good. I like it. And this one, I cheat. Not really cheat, but I added 2 tablespoons of frozen yogurt with chocolate. So, see, you can see the color change. It's even tastier. There you go, guys. Treat yourself sometimes with healthy breakfast. Hope you like this vlog and see you next time. Happy Easter! Bye! Fluidity of life, don't forget. Thanks, Mommy Jo. Happy Easter! And to all the friends of Mommy Jo, don't forget us. Fluidity of life.